All right, guys, so we are in Walmart. My intention wasn't to come here today, but I have to drop off a package at FedEx. Didn't realize this was actually inside of Walmart, so we are here. So since I'm here, we are going to check out to see what items they have that are new so we can take a look together after the holidays. Let's take a look and see what's inside. So stay tuned and let's get into the store. I just noticed this. This is so cute. It looks like it's a different mask set. So it looks like they have pomegranate, watermelon, peach, and this is $3.88. So it's a 4-piece set. So think about it, it's less than $1 for each of those masks. So that's super cool. Let's check out to see what they got. Okay, so I am in the shaving section and they have Joy. A lot of people swear by Joy, but I haven't tried it myself. This is a new one. I haven't seen this one. Honestly, shaving gels I really don't care about, so I can take any shaving gel. But this is new for me. I haven't seen Billy. I think Billy is a subscription, but I haven't seen Billy here. And it looks like they're selling Cool Blue starter kit, so that is new to me. Let me see what else they got. And then they have the Joy. As you see there, Joy for $8.97. And then Chic Silk 5 for, one is for $8.97, the other's for $13. And then Intuition's over there. So yeah, I'm not really particular when it comes to shave gels, but shave razors. So let me know in the comment section below, what is your favorite? Okay, finding an MDL is very difficult, but basically this is the shampoo aisle. I'm trying to show you guys exactly what I use. There's like a Eco Love Not Your Mother's, but I'm trying to see if there's anything new, so you guys can let me know. Now this right here I haven't seen before, so that's super cool. And it looks like Dove has some hair products too. Hasp. Let me know if you guys have used Hasp before. Their hair masks are not expensive, but I heard the brand is good too. And then let me see. Yeah, it's starting to get busy. So, okay, so Native right here. Here we go. Coconut and vanilla. This is for your hair. Now, let me see. Silicone seed free, sulfate free, paraben free. So I can get down with that. It says these are $8.97. So it looks like they have coconut and vanilla, cucumber and mint, almond shea butter, and what is this? Almond and shea. Alright, so, but then they have body washes here. It is eucalyptus and mint, coconut and vanilla, same, and deodorant. So they have powder, and then they also have coconut and mint, cucumber and mint. Then if you ever need a face mask, you can get them here, but honestly you can get them from the dollar store too. I don't really know where a lot of stuff is because I don't come to this particular Walmart, so we are looking together. So you are like, this is how I usually look around if I'm looking for something specific, but I really don't come to this area because this particular Walmart is it's always packed. Okay, so that's not bad for, let me see, 100 rounds, $4.98. I don't know how much they sell at the Dollar Tree, but we know that the Dollar Tree right now is more than $1. So I remember back in the day when I was young, I used to use Clean and Clear. I'm actually just trying to see if there's anything like new that we haven't seen before. That's kind of what I'm looking for. I don't see any. But it looks like this is from Clean and Clear. It's an aloe vera one, so I don't remember that. And it looks like they have the same thing in watermelon. I know my son swears by Cerebell, so that's what he uses. I'm actually heading out to Target next, so we're gonna see what they got. But he usually uses this Cerebell, so yeah, I don't see anything here. I'm gonna try to double check to see if the aisle is empty. These right here are new to me. I think I saw them on commercial, but these are 2-in-1 from Poise. So it looks like period full. So okay, cool. That's good to know. And then of course we have the L brand here of pads. I haven't tried those. Right now I'm trying the honey pot ones, and Lola and Just at the top. So let's see if this aisle is empty. Thank God this aisle was packed before. Okay. All right. So I heard that the Dr. Teal's body scrub is really good. I don't see any right now, but it's in the blue packaging that all of them are in. And then look at the Tree Hut scrubs. These are all ones that I think we've seen before. Let me see if I can get a close-up. So that is just Shea Sugar Scrub, vanilla, and what is that? Exotic Bloom. I have this one already. And then Tahitian. I heard Tahitian's really good. I don't need any, so we not get any. But this is a hemp body scrub. That is new to me. So let me know if you guys have tried that before. And I heard that Dr. Teal's, their body oil is really good too. I've tried the Rain Equate Bath shower gel. That's really good. It's for the summer. That's mostly if you don't want to have to actually pay the Neutrogena price. But this is the whole Happy Place. So it looks like it's in a small section, and then they have the body collagens at the bottom. So those are them. Basically, if you want a cheaper price for your, instead of going Bath and Body, you can get them from here. A lot of the Happy Place seems to be like a give or take. So some people like it, some people don't, but at least we're outside of the winter vibe. So it looks like they have Lazy Weekend scented candle. What are the scent notes for this? Doesn't say. Oh, it says it in the front though. So this is Sweet Almond Vanilla Bean, and then After Rain. I'm sure After Rain smells good. So this seems to be White Bush and Jasmine. And then of course they have all the jerkins. This one I haven't tried, but it's $7.46. You don't want to try it for that amount. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried that one before. And they always have all the smoothies right there too, from Jergens. I haven't tried those either, just because I'm trying to get through my what I have so far. And then I showed you already the Native, but they had like an area where you can go. Oh, I heard this right here is really, really good from another YouTuber. Let me know if you guys have tried that. I have not. If you look up there for soft soap, those are still Christmases. The Christmas is Peppermint Path Winter Walk. Those are Christmas. I'm surprised they're not in the cleaning section. And they're still rocking them out here. So, oh, this is new to me. This is soft soap coconut gentle in the Hemps. I didn't realize they sold Hemps here. So this is Sweet Pineapple 8 Define, White Gardenia Apple, Blossom Triple Moisture, and Original. Still haven't gotten into that. Those would have to be on like super clearance for me to probably get them. I don't know. Maybe I haven't taken a look and see if that's worth it, but a bunch of lubricants. Oh snap. This one was, this if you see it in your, if you see this in your store, get it. Brown sugar is, I had to actually order this from Walmart online because I could never find it. And then yeah, they have all the sugar scrub, the body scrubs there. I don't see, the crazy thing is I don't see like a hair section, just to see what they got. I've gone through tons here, but I don't see any body scrub here. And deodorants, which we don't need. My son swears by Old Spice. Yeah, and that's all that I have to do so far. I'm trying to see where the candles are. Okay, so we are in the wax melt section. It's really kind of bare, but I wanted to show you guys a couple of them. Usually we stick with the foodie kind, so we'll get something like this from Better Home and Gardens. I'm gonna actually take this one. This is vanilla and cookie crunch. We love foodie, more so the foodie scents. That's usually where, if you follow any of my YouTube, not YouTube art, if you follow any of my Bath and Body posts with the video, with the candles, you'll see that most of the ones we stick with, I stick with just like this type of kind, but these are really affordable. I wish they had a bigger one of this one. They only have this one, but I kind of try to stick with Better Homes and Gardens just because they smell really good. So I'm gonna see what big ones they have. It looks like they have vanilla and caramel. I may get that. They have brownie pecan, and they're just $3.47. So let's see, and they have other ones here too, but I'm trying to see what they have for the big ones. So let me take a pause for a sec and just see exactly what they got and see if I can grab a big one. So give me a second. This is the one I'm grabbing. It's actually vanilla and caramel spice. This smells really good. So, and this is only $3.47. So we're gonna take a look and see what kind of candles they have. Like I said, it looks like they're restocking, but these are really nice. Obviously, you're not going to pay $24. If I don't pay $24 for a Bath and Body candle, I'm not. But this is extremely huge, and that's only $16. And that's a 4-wick. I've never seen a 4-wick before, so that's crazy. Now, I did hear some good things about these candles from Better Home and Gardens. I heard they're really good, so in the future I will definitely give them a try to see if they're any good, and I will keep you guys posted just in case you're looking for something different from the Bath and Body ones, because these are 3 wicks too. So if you've tried them, definitely let me know below. But yeah, not a lot. And then these candles seem to be like a hit or miss according to a lot of people. So these are only $3.48. So I like to get like the DW Home. I like to get the DW Home from TJ Maxx. So yeah, these are not bad at all, guys. If you see them and you just want to give a new scent a try, definitely give them a try, because they're just basically $2 as far as like the wax melts. All right, so I think that's really it. I'd say definitely let me know if you guys have tried these candles from Better Home and Gardens. They look really nice, and they kind of put me in the sense, they kind of put me in the mind of DW Home. So I'm super curious. But yeah, that is it for me. There's nothing else that I need. And I don't see any sales, so I'm kind of surprised. But with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. Have a good day, guys. And this man complimented me on my sneakers. I told him I can never get lost. So that's what I'm rocking right now. Alright, see you in the next video, guys.